Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to tidy up your saved collections on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to remove posts from a saved collection, so you can keep your Instagram organized and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, look up to the top right corner and tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, tap on Saved. This is where Instagram keeps all the posts you've saved over time. Now, you'll see all your saved items. To find your collections, tap on Collections at the top. Here, you'll see any groups or folders you've created to organize your saved posts. Go ahead and select the specific collection you want to clean up. Inside your chosen collection, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner and tap on them. You'll see an option that says Select. Tap on that. Now, you can choose which posts you want to remove from this collection. Simply tap on each post you want to get rid of. You'll notice a check mark appears on each selected post. Once you've made your selections, look for the Remove from Saved option, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm. And just like that, those posts will be removed from your collection. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your saved collection on Instagram. Keeping your collections organized is a great way to make sure you only hold on to the content that truly inspires you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out more tips to make the most out of your Instagram experience.